Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to design a website automatically with Wix AI so you can launch a professional studio storefront in minutes, bypassing the amateur quality manual design process and utilize high-end 2026 technical tools to scale your online presence. Let's get into it. First, start the AI chat conversation. The first step is a mechanical necessity for the 2026 workflow. Instead of picking a template, you will candidly talk to the Wix AI to build a custom design brief tailored to your professional brand. Log into Wix and click Create New Site. When prompted, select the Start Chat option with the Wix AI Assistant. The AI will ask, "What's the name of your business and what do you do?" Provide a specific answer like, "My name is Name, and I provide high-end technical software tutorials and market analysis." In 2026, the AI uses these details to technically map out your site's hierarchy. By being candid about your professional goals now, you ensure the studio results match your actual 2026 bookkeeping and sales needs. Next, define your studio goals and features. Once the AI understands your identity, it needs to technically determine what tools your site requires to function as a professional 2026 business. Answer the follow-up questions about your site's goals. Tell the AI you need features like online scheduling, blog for market analysis, or an e-commerce store for your technical video scripts. This isn't just about looks, it's about technically pre-installing the high-end 2026 apps you need so you don't have to manually configure them later, keeping your workflow professional and fast. Next, generate the initial AI design. Now you let the 2026 technical engine do the heavy lifting. In 2026, Wix AI doesn't just give you a skeleton, it creates a full, high-end studio layout. After finishing the chat, click Generate Site. Watch as the AI technically builds your homepage, About section, and Services page using 2026 design standards like high contrast layouts and responsive components. The AI is selecting a color palette and font pairing that matches your expert tone. It removes the risk of an amateur quality design and gives you a professional 2026 foundation in seconds. And that's pretty much it. To design a website automatically in 2026, start by chatting with the Wix AI to define your professional brand and goals. Let the technical engine generate your initial site with personalized pages and features. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.